Oh, Jell-O! Oh, Jell-O! Hello, my friends. Today we are going to make some Jell-O, but we're going to freeze it. I'm trying this frozen Jell-O thing. So I've got some strawberry Jell-O right here. So as you see, I'm opening it up. It's in a package, of course. And in this bigger Pyrex cup, I've got some hot water. And I'm going to put the Jell-O powder into it to dissolve it. Okay, I got the spoon. And stirring it all up. I put half the water in, then I put the other half of water in. I actually put a little bit less than what they suggest. They suggest 2 cups. I put in about 1.5 cups. All right, so I'm just stirring it up so I can dissolve it, and I'm putting it in an ice cube tray because I'm freezing it. So here it is. I kind of didn't have the best aim, as you can see, but you know, I cleaned it up later on. And I had a little bit extra, so I put it in this little glass bowl and I put it in the freezer for about a day. And then when I took it out, here it is. It kind of thawed a little bit because when I took it out directly, it was like super like ice cold. It was hard to move, so I let it thaw out a little bit. Not too much, but when I took it out, look at it. It wasn't formed very well. And again, it wasn't thawing for too long, just a little bit, so I can actually take it out. So I just got in there with my fingers. And look, there it is. I don't know, guys. So I think this was a bit of a fail. I tasted it. It tastes just like regular Jell-O, except for it was cold. Nothing much different. Anyway, have you had success with this? Maybe I just don't have what it takes. Let me know. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe to Yay Fun Times, and I'll see you later. Bye.